Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So I went and got myself an action camera, and let me well, turn the camera down and I'll show it to you. Okay, so I'm using the Hidden Woodsman haversack currently as my camera bag, and with the exception of the camera and tripod I'm filming this on, got my Ultra Pod, which I was actually just using on a cooking video. This I'll get back to. Got the case for the camera that I'm filming on, plus batteries. Got the Nikon right here, which, you know, I was thinking about the weight of this. Ultimately decided to get a new camera, which I'll show you here. Batteries for the Nikon, and then there's a 32 gig SD card in there as well, in case this one fills up, which never has. So you've seen the headlamp. Where is it? So it is the Vemont, and I'll do a close-up so you get a better shot of this. So it will click right into the front. This is one of the things it came with. It'll just click right in. So let me pop the battery in here. I was trying to think of ways to keep the battery waterproof, and this is what I ultimately did. I also put the back cover in here too, because I was worried that if I open this up out in the woods somewhere, I would lose it. It's not a set in stone method yet. I'll have to figure something out. So battery just goes in, and then this thing just clicks into place like that, if you can see that, and then that's the camera. So let me show you all the accessories it came with. I might have to get you down close. Okay, so I switched to the Nikon because it has a better zoom. Now this case, I don't remember where I found it. I think I found it one day at work. It was lost and found. No one ever claims stuff like this, so I just took it. So it has a charging cable plus, you know, moving the footage to your computer, which that's not going to stay in here, but I had to bring it to show you. It comes with a waterproof case, which I had to painstakingly figure out how to open it. So you got to move this little tab over and then lift up, and then you can open the camera. And so I didn't want to store the camera in here because I was worried about turning it on in the pack, because this is the power button, which is on top. No, that's the OK button. Front here is the power button. I'm still learning this. So power button, and then the other buttons you can push. So I was worried it would come on in my pocket. But it comes with a waterproof case. That's what it came with, which I think, you know, just it hooks on here and then just snaps back in place. It took me a little while to figure out how to do that. It also came with this mount, which fit perfectly on the headband, and it's got a top screw part here. I can't see the view screen. See if you can see that. Yeah, right there. So I may be able to put light on there, I think. So also came with a mounting bracket like this, so you can mount the camera here with do I have one in here? Actually, I know I do. I just gotta find it. With this, so what you do is you put the camera through, and then you just push this through, just like a regular GoPro. And I think you can mount this on like a trekking pole, or I could actually attach this to my my Manfrotto tripod. I could attach that on there as well. You know, you should be able to adjust it. A trekking pole would be nice. So it comes with that. Came with these two quick release pads, I think for a tripod. I'm not sure what kind of tripod though. I'm not sure if it'll fit on this one. I have to look. I haven't done that yet. I literally just got this a few days ago. I got a secondary clip, just like on here. So this is a smaller one. And then I got a I think this is a quick release for this, so I think this snaps in there. So, and then these Velcro attachments as well, probably for like a pack strap or something. So you want to actually hang this off a pack strap while you're hiking. So that might be a nice. And then it actually came with another adapter, which is nice. So that's what came with everything. So I'm gonna go and get this sucker on. I'm gonna return this back, and we'll go do some test footage because I want to see how. Nothing in there, right? That's the top. Oh, that's interesting. No. Yeah, the power is in front, but how do you turn on the... How do you begin recording? Oh, you know what? This thing might be upside down. It might have to go here and then allow me to access the buttons. So, let me fix this off camera and then I'll bring it back. So I also picked up a 2-pack. These are SD cards. It's a micro SD card that goes in the camera, and then there's an adapter so I could actually put it in my regular camera too. And all the links, of course, will be in the description. Alrighty, so it's not as floppy as the Nikon, so there shouldn't be any head flop. I was thinking too, you could use the selfie feature on your phone, and you could check to make sure it's straight before you start off. So since I always bring my phone with me and then adjust it down, I just gotta, it's gonna take some tweaking, but I think that's better. So I'm gonna walk around here and we'll check the footage, see how it looks. It's a lot lighter than the other combo. It doesn't jerk, although my, if I had rock music and I was rocking out, it'd be bouncy, but so we'll go check it out and see how it looks, and then yeah, I'm actually kind of I actually got another review to do, so I'm hoping I can utilize this camera with some of that. So I always feel like it's pointing up too high though. It's probably going to take a little bit of fidgeting. Maybe that looks okay. Alright, so, and also I forgot to mention, it's thanks to all of you that I was able to buy this, because I got paid by Google like literally the day after I ordered this. Was it the day after? I think it was the same day, because I worked in the morning and I went ahead and I ordered this, and then like shortly after I got an email. So because of all your views, I now have another way of bringing you additional camera footage and more angles. So if the camera works out, sweet. If not, I'll give you a full review and tell you if it sucks. So we'll see how it looks. Just making sure it's straight. It looks straight. All right. Let's go check it out. We happen to have my car over there. I happen to have a little service road here. I'll be interested to see how the mic works out. I mean, it was a $26 camera, so I'm not expecting the world, because typically if I'm just doing action shots anyway, I can always run music over it or something. But if the audio is okay and you guys can hear me all right, well then, good game. So I don't even know if it's still recording. Let's walk down here a little bit more. I don't want to go too far from my picnic table because I got all my stuff on there. So head back. Probably not going to be crystal clear footage, but it's alright. Maybe someday down the road I'll upgrade something that looks a little bit better, but we'll see how it goes for now. Might be one of those things where it's like, oh, it looks great, and it wasn't expensive. It rained yesterday and today. It's supposed to rain tonight too. So hopefully that will do away with all the burn bans. So like I said, just a little picnic area. A little fire pit. An actual fire pit. And then this is covered. Well, alright. Well, I won't know how it looks until I get home and get it on the computer, which I'm going to do as soon as I get home. I'll put all the prices up on the screen, and of course I'll link the description below. I got it on Amazon. Prime member, so I don't have to pay shipping. But with that and the SD cards, it's like $38 and some change, or $36 and some change. Well, it was under 40 bucks, just under $40. So I was about ready to dig out my wallet and look it up because I wrote it down. But anyway, I do thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one, and we'll be on the lookout for that camera footage in the near future.